Okay, so in designing the app, okay, the first thing is you want to design the user interface. Okay, so we design the user interface like this. Okay, so this is the user interface. Okay, and next thing is you want to code the app. Okay, if you want to do coding. Okay, so for giving coding, okay, first you want to know the logic of the app. Okay, see, this is the logic of the app. See here. Okay, so this is the logic of the app. Okay, the logic is if the student didn't enter the name, okay, the app should notify that the student name is blank. Okay, and similarly, if the student didn't enter his or her password, the app should notify that the password is blank. Okay, so on entering both student's name and password, okay, after that, okay, on entering the both student name and password, okay, and pressing the submit button, the app should notify that okay, the registration successful. Okay, so this is the logic of the app. Okay, so the logic is first you want to enter the name. Okay, so if the student didn't enter the name, okay, the app should notify that the student name is blank. Okay, and similarly, if the student didn't enter his password, the app should notify that password is blank. Okay, so on entering both the student name and password, okay, and giving submit button, and the app should notify that registration successful. Okay, so this is the logic of the app. Okay, okay, so first thing is, see, okay, I'm using, okay, I want to notify the app. Okay, so for notifying, see here, okay, I'm using, okay, here notifier is there. Okay, here, okay, notifier is there. Okay, so I'm using notifier here. Okay, so for coding you want to go in the, see, okay, so for coding you want to go in the block section. See, for coding you want to go in the block section. Okay, in the blocks here is there. Okay, so you want to go, okay, give coding in the block section. Okay, how to do means, see here. Okay, first one is if, okay, this is the condition. Okay, that is I'm giving condition. Okay, so okay, I'm taking the, okay, first I'm taking, okay, submit button. Okay, okay, submit button. Okay, so okay, okay, submit button is there. Okay, so when submit button clicked, okay, you drag and paste here. Okay, so when the submit button is clicked, okay, so you want to notify that, okay, you want to check these conditions. Okay, so for checking the condition I'm using control. Okay, if then else. Okay, I'm giving, okay, if, okay, and then I'm using logic section. Logic. Okay, see, text box one. Okay, so text box one is student's name. Okay, text box one is student name. And press text box one in this text box. Okay, okay, text box one is student's name. Okay, okay, so if the student's name is not empty, okay, so for this I am giving not equal to, okay, not empty. Okay, see here, not blank. Okay, then you want to check the text box 2. Okay, the text box 2 is text box 2. Okay, before that I'm making this one. Okay, text box 2. Okay, so if the, okay, if the satisfy, okay, I want to check text box 2. Okay, so text box 2 is satisfy. Okay, I want to give like this. Okay, I want to go notification alert. Okay, so here okay, I want to give this one. Okay, screen 2. Screen 2. Okay, I will notify that. Okay, the password is blank. Okay, and similarly here also I will notify that. Okay, the name is blank. Okay, name is blank. Okay, so this is the logic of the, okay, this is the coding. Okay, okay, so this is the coding section. Okay, so in this, if I enter the button 1, okay, the button 1 is nothing but this one. Okay, the button 1 is, see here, okay, button 1 is nothing but the submit button. Okay, okay, if I give submit button, okay, then it won't check, okay, whether text box is empty or not. Okay, so text box should not empty. Okay, text box 1 is student's name. Okay, text box 1 is student name. Okay, so this is text box. Okay, student name is text box 1. Okay, text box 1. Okay, text box 2 is password. Okay, text box 2 is password. Okay, okay, so in this I am giving the logic like that. Okay, logic is, okay, if it is not empty, okay, then check the text box 2. Okay, text box 2 is not empty. Okay, then open another screen. Okay, that is screen 2. Okay, why I am opening screen 2 means, see here. Okay, so in the screen 2 we are having like this, that is okay, in the screen 2 we are having registration successful. Okay, so we want to go to screen 2. Okay, so in the block section you can see. Okay, so if it is not false, okay, so if the text box is not if the text box is not filled, okay, then it won't notify that password is blank. Okay, so if the text box 1 is not blank, okay, then it's notify that, okay, name is blank. Okay, like this. Okay, see here. Okay, here password I am giving in the else section. Okay, so here's the if. Okay, so in the if I am having text box 2, okay, that is password. So in the okay, in the else section I am giving password is blank. Okay, similarly in the here, okay, in the if I am having text box 1, okay, that is username. Okay, so in the else section I am giving the name is blank. Okay, so this is the logic of the program. Okay, okay, this is the coding section. Okay, okay, so we want after okay, after doing this, we want test by using the connect option. Okay, so in the connect you want to use the AI companion. Okay, so based on this only you will test this coding.